So hello guys, today we will not be on site. Today we will be doing some design here. So this is the current project that I'm having. It's a mansion. It's an apartment actually. It has the ground floor and plus 5-story up. So the ground floor will be the parking. This will be the ground floor. The whole of it will be the parking, and it will be 2-bedroom units and 1-bedroom units. It's on a plot of 40 by 80. Yani koko plot ya 40 by 80. One side is 40 feet and the other side is 80 feet. So basically this is the plot. We'll be building from this wall to this wall. Let's go to the first floor. Have this option. I'm still trying to weigh which is the best one. So on this option, this bedroom here, very spacious. Have this WC, that is the washroom there, lounge, open plan kitchen, a balcony. So this is 1 bedroom, and then you have this bedroom, lounge here, this bedroom here, and the toilet here, then the balcony, and then our 2-bedroom will be here, and a bed sitter. So this is the first option. This will be a stairs. This is a void where the light will be coming from, and so I have this option whereby this one bedroom, so it looks somehow different kidogo too, not that much na difference kidogo sana actually, if you notice. So on the other floors follows, as you can see, 3rd story, 4th story there. This is the 5th story, and the 6th. 6th is the rooftop. This is how the 3D will look like. For those of you who don't know what's a 3D, the final picture of the house. Looks amazing. So this is the void that we are talking about. We have our stairs on this side. This is the front part, the front face. I like it, I like the design. So basically here we are in ArchiCAD, and it's ArchiCAD 24, as you can see. This is where we usually design our houses. So like here we have the wall tool, the column tool, beam tool, slab tool, roof tool. So at this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, so that when I upload my content, you'll be the first one to see. So kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So stairs, two railing. Okay, at Mhandisi Construction Limited, design and build. So we'll be designing this one. Most probably we'll be building it. So let's try to do something. Let's see, we have a gate here. I'm not sure we have one. You can customize one with these garage doors. Let's add a gate, sliding gate. Let's add a sliding gate to our that one. This one not dishes. Like that. Just go with the sliding doors. This is a basic door. Customize one. So here, use this tool. Here we can go with this one, and then we can do a 4 meter gate. So 4,000. It is okay. Just as to this vitu and you achieve what we are looking for. So as I said, we are a design and build company. So most of the time we design and build, but some point we design and somebody build for themselves. Rare cases. So I'll be doing such content on this YouTube channel. Kama uja subscribe, kindly consider subscribing. And leave a comment, like, share to your friends, and tell me what I should do to improve so that it is our gift. I'm sure I have not achieved what I wanted. Seems like tuko na column hapa. It affect what I'm doing here. So basically that it. I try to do something else. Tunafanya nini? Haya, let's save that one. Na tuende kwa ingine kidogo. Hizo ingine. Tuko na hungry. Nataka niwaonyeshe leo, niwaonyeshe tu madrili mapicha. We'll be getting into details some other time. So this is how an architectural drawing looks like. Nakaanga hivi. These are elevations. Hizi ni elevation, rooftop, site plan, section, is total disposal, block plan, kuna floor plan of the ground floor, the first floor. Inaweza climbed hapo. So this is what tuna print kwa A1 blueprint. So basically hii ilikuwa for bedroom Maisonette. Let's move to the other one. So if I analyze this video equal that long. Haya, kuna acha tuone hii. Perfect. Midridia for bedroom Maisonette. kabla tufanye renders, but it's looking amazing. The back side, sideways, sideways. Side elevation. So hii ni Maisonette for bedroom, Maisonette, ground floor, first floor, and the second floor. This is the front face. Hii itakuwa for facade. So it's on a plot of 50 by 100. Utashare ndio plot hapo, pangilia hapa. So the floor plans. Tuanze na ground, lounge, guest bedroom, pantry, open plan kitchen, foyer, dining, front porch, and the laundry area, the back porch. Kipanda huku juu kuna master bedroom and suite, walk-in closet, WC there, balcony, it's a double volume seating has a void here, family room, bedroom 3, which is en suite, balcony, bedroom 4 en suite, in stairs part, balcony. So the bedrooms have a balcony, they are en suite. So on the second floor, have the gym area and bedroom 5. Actually, it's a 5 bedroom. Also in suite. And stairs. So this point, the drawing is not complete. This will be the common toilet, not in suite. Balcony, balcony. So that is it there. Tuana ingine ya mwisho. So kama uja subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Kindly consider liking, kufinya the subscribe button and the notification bell. Tuko kwa hii pia chaifunguke. So this is the 3D of this one. So look at that, guys. Looks cool. Patrick Mainde. And those columns. Let me know in the comment section, do you like it? I think this one should be the thumbnail of this video. So I also have 4 bedroom Maisonette fitting on a 50 by 80. Like this face. So hii software inaitwa ArchiCAD. So this is the ground floor. What do you have on the ground floor? Almost the same design as the one nilionyesha. Front porch, foyer, lounge, dining, open plan kitchen, pantry, laundry, stairs, guest bedroom, en suite, WC. Then on the first story, master bedroom, walk-in closet, master bathroom, bedroom 3 en suite with a balcony, bedroom 4 en suite, family room, void. Then gym area, office, stairs, balcony. That is it. So kama uja subscribe. We meet on the other video. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Road to at least 500 subscriber. 1000. I subscribe kama uja subscribe. I've noticed watu wengi wananiwatch na waja subscribe. So subscribe. At least tufikie hata lao. Yeah, thank you.